What if I told you that earning an extra $1,000 every month without working harder is totally possible? In today's video, I'm sharing step-by-step strategies to build passive income streams that can bring in $1,000 per month or more. Whether you're a beginner or already on your journey, you don't want to miss this. Welcome to the channel. Passive income is not just a dream. It's a smart way to build financial freedom while creating more time for what truly matters. In this video, I'll break down practical ways to earn $1,000 a month in passive income, including real-life examples and actionable tips you can start using today. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more money-making tips every week. Let's get started. 1. Start with dividend stocks. First up, dividend stocks. This is one of the easiest and most reliable ways to earn passive income. All you need to do is invest in companies that regularly pay dividends. For example, investing $25,000 in a stock yielding 4% annually could bring you $1,000 a year, or about $83 per month. Combine this with other strategies, and you'll hit that $1,000 goal faster than you think. 2. Launch a print-on-demand business. Next, try starting a print-on-demand store. You design products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and platforms like Printful handle the printing and shipping. This means no inventory to manage. With the right niche and marketing, it's possible to generate $1,000 per month, or even more. 3. Rent out a room or property. Have a spare room or property? Renting it out on Airbnb or similar platforms can bring in consistent income. For example, renting a room for $50 a night just 20 nights a month can easily hit $1,000. Bonus. Offer unique experiences or great hospitality to keep guests coming back. 4. Create digital products. Digital products like ebooks, templates, or guides are another amazing source of passive income. Spend time creating it once, then sell it repeatedly. For instance, selling 100 copies of a $10 ebook monthly would hit your $1,000 goal. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy make this super easy. 5. Build a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is one of my favorite ways to build passive income. You can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start monetizing. Over time, a good video library can generate consistent income. 6. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending allows you to loan money to others in exchange for interest payments. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper make it easy to get started. By diversifying your loans, you can minimize risk while earning steady returns. 7. Invest in real estate crowdfunding. Don't have the capital to buy a property? Real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise let you invest in real estate projects with as little as $500. You earn a share of the rental income or property appreciation, helping you build passive income over time. 8. Affiliate marketing through a blog. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn money through your blog. Write about products or services you love, include affiliate links, and earn commissions on every sale. With some SEO optimization, your blog can generate consistent traffic and income. 9. Sell stock photos or music. Are you creative? Selling stock photos or music can generate royalty income, Websites like Shutterstock and iStock let you earn money every time someone downloads your content. It's an excellent way to monetize your skills. 10. Create an online course. Finally, creating an online course can be incredibly lucrative. If you're an expert in anything, from baking to programming, you can teach others and earn money through platforms like Teachable or Udemy. With just 50 students paying $20 each, you're already at $1,000. And there you have it. 10 proven strategies to earn $1,000 per month in passive income. Which one will you start with? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building wealth and financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.